In today's video, I show you how to add a logo in Odoo so your dashboard has a more personalized and professional look. The process is simple and you only need a moment to set it up. Start by logging into your Odoo account with administrator access. Only admins can update company branding, so make sure you're signed in with the right permissions. Once you're in, head over to the settings menu by clicking the gear icon or selecting the settings option on your dashboard. From here, you can reach the logo upload section in two easy ways. If you are using developer mode, you will see the Odoo logo in the top left corner. Hover over it, click edit, and it will take you straight to the company branding settings. If not, just go into settings and choose the company's option where all your organization details are stored. Inside the company settings, you will find the upload field for your logo. Click it to browse your computer and pick your image. Formats like PNG and JPG work perfectly, so make sure your logo is saved in one of those types for a smooth upload. After choosing your file, click Open to confirm. Once the logo appears on your screen, don't forget to hit Save. This is what applies the change across your Odoo interface, and skipping it is a common mistake. And that's it.